Hello everyone. Right now we are going to start our first step for learning HTML, and therefore we need to start from the very beginning. Okay, so we installed the live server in last lesson, but now we need to create a folder inside our computer, because that folder will be worked as a vault, because whatever we will learn, we will save our task, and when it will be needed to reopen our task, we will reopen it from there. Therefore we have to create a folder first. So therefore let me open my computer's folder. So you can see here inside my computer I opened my document folder, and inside my document folder I want to create a new folder. Therefore you can just click in this new folder option, or you can just right click with your mouse, then you will have the new option, and from there you will get this new folder option. So let me click this folder option and let me write HTML and CSS. So the name of my folder is HTML and CSS. So once it is done, you just have to hit the enter button from your keyboard. Let me enter inside the HTML and CSS folder. Okay, so right now I'm going to create a new document with Notepad, and therefore you have to right click with your mouse, and then you will have this new option, and from there I will use this text document. Actually this is an application of a Notepad, so let me click this text document, and you can see here a new text document is created. So let me open it. You just have to double click with your mouse, and this is the new text document. As I was saying, it's an application of Notepad. Okay, right now I have to change the extension. Therefore you have to go for file menu. From there you have to go for save as option. So let me click this save as option, and please make sure that you are saving this file in the HTML and CSS folder. And now I have to type index as my file name. Please remember these things, that index. Then what you have to do, you have to click in this save as type, and from there you have to go for all file, and now you have to type index.html. okay, let me click save, and let me close it. So you can see here a new file is created in here, and let me delete this new text document. So you can see here a new file is created with HTML extension. So you can ask me question, why we have to put the name as index? Actually, when you will create a website, it could contain like number of pages. Some website could contain around 5 pages, 10 pages. But what will be your home page? Whatever page you are going to select as your home page, you must have to make the file name as indexed, because all the indexed file are considered as the homepage file. Therefore we are using this index file, and we use the HTML extension because we are going to learn the HTML. Therefore we used index.html extension. Okay, so our folder and the HTML file creation is done. Now we are getting back to our Visual Studio Code software. Okay, cool. Now we have to locate our folder in here. Therefore you can see here that we have the option for open folder, or you can use this file menu, and from there you can have this open folder option. So whatever you are clicking, you can use this file menu from here, or you can use this default open folder. So let me click this open folder, then a pop-up will appear, and in the pop-up you have to identify where that HTML CSS folder is located inside your computer. So we created the HTML and CSS folder inside our document folder. Therefore this is my HTML and CSS folder. So let me click select folder. Okay, then a notification could come to you, and it will ask you about the trust of authors or not. So if you trust the author, in that case you just have to click this yes, I trust the authors. Okay, now you can see that inside our HTML and CSS folder we got index.html file. So this is the folder and this is the file, and the name of our file is index, and the extension of our file is HTML. So let me click this index.html. Here we go. This is our main place for writing our HTML code. So now we will start writing.